All right, we're going to demonstrate a few of the procedures that we've put together and tested out in simulation. They're hooked up to the real robot, and let's just give it a shot. You've got on the right-hand side of the video the control as well as the live video stream coming back from the robot. On the left-hand side is just a camera setup in Rochester to record what the robot's doing. I'm running the robot from Merrimack, Massachusetts remotely, and it's hanging out in New York. So let's see what we can do. I'm going to give it a quick command to move forward, and I'm going to hold it for about a second. Okay, and that's pretty responsive. Looks like, at least from my perspective, not seeing the robot real time, there's a very short delay before the robot starts to move. But the camera, the view that I'm getting back, and the Zoom meeting that's set up seem to have pretty equivalent delays, so it's not too much. I'm gonna give it a spin command and reverse direction. See if I can give it a combined spin and travel command, forward and right. Now, something that I'm going to have to be careful of here, I can see the robot because I've got the zoom up, but if I'm trying to navigate just strictly from the camera, it might be a little difficult. I'm going to want to be careful not to run it into anything. The camera is pretty clear, so it shouldn't be too hard to navigate around. Let me see what I can do with the arm. I'll give it a command to send the arm forward. Now that command is supposed to be a strictly robot, I believe, Y-axis command, and you can see it gets a little bit. It's not very precise. That again was supposed to be a retract command, and you see the arms kind of sinking just a little bit towards the floor. Let me see if I can get it to go vertical. And it doesn't seem to want to take a vertical command from this position. Going down works pretty well. Let's see if I can get it now back up. Okay, I think we may have run into an issue with the robot because vertical commands to raise the arm, doesn't seem to be responding very well. Coming to the left side of the screen, robot's right, and back again. Pretty good control there, and we don't seem to be losing much elevation in the arm. A little bit of a retract. And now let's see if I can get it to move vertically. There we go. So that's an interesting behavior that we're going to have to check out. I'm going to bring the robot, if I can, a little bit closer to the camera so you can see what's going on a little bit better. And now we'll do some pan tilt commands. So increase is a turn to the robot's right. Decrease comes back left. And we've set these up pretty much as incremental commands. That's easier for pan and tilt since you don't need a whole lot of fidelity in those necessarily. Oh, let's see, that's the majority of what we've got implemented. Let me move the camera a little bit out of true, and we can demonstrate. We've got the home camera button, which should bring it back to its home position. And success. We've also got a home arm command, which will do the same. I'm going to tilt the camera down a little bit, and maybe we'll see the arm. See if we can get the arm to, there we go. And home arm should bring the arm up to the home position. I'm going to call that success. And Trevor, unless there's anything else you would like to see in this demo on the robot, I'm going to call it good.
Oh, I think you've tested everything. That's awesome.
Yeah. We might need to work on the speed control for the pan and tilt. Oh, and I've now lost camera, but I just refreshed the screen and it comes back. So, robot, wave at Trevor.
Hello. It's trying.
Oh, it was a good effort.
Right.
Put everything back to home. And that's our demo. Thanks for watching.